How to lock your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Facebook, and here you can see that my profile is not logged as of now. And in order to lock it, we will just simply open up the account settings, then click on this option of settings and privacy. After that, select the option of settings. By the way, this feature might not be available in some countries, and for that you can try a VPN in order to do so. If that works out, it would be great for you. But for the others, just simply open up your settings, then scroll down on the left hand side panel and keep scrolling until you find this option of profile locking under audience and visibility. Simply select the option of profile locking, and this is how it will appear. Now click on this option of lock your profile. And this is how easy it is to lock your profile, and just simply click on this option of OK in order to do so. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.